Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the upper dish rack wheel assembly in your dishwasher. The reason why you would have to do this is because the wheel assembly is damaged or broken, causing your dish rack not to roll in properly. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our dishwasher door here. So this right here is our upper dish rack, and in order to get it out, you'll see that there are a couple of stoppers stopping it from coming all the way out. So what you need to do is grab a hold of one side here, and then on the stopper itself, you can push that towards the inside of the dishwasher, and it should pop open. Then you can just pull it right out, like so. And same thing on the other side. We're going to just push the stopper in, and that will unclip it right there, and then it should come right out. Now with the stoppers out of the way, you should be able to pull the dish rack right out. Now we're going to take the roller wheels off, and in order to do that, we're going to have to undo the clip here on this side, and then just rotate it up and pull it off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement upper dish rack wheel assembly, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now if yours comes in two separate pieces like this, all you have to do is push this end right here and push that together a little bit on the back end. Give it a couple pushes and it should snap right through like so. So we're going to put our wheels back on now, and it snaps on like that. Now we can put our upper dish rack back in. So we're going to line up the wheels again with the side rails, and that'll all roll in nice and easy like so. Now we're going to put our stopper back in, so that's just going to go in like that and clip into place like so. And same thing on this side. Just push the stopper in and clip it in place. Now we'll push our dish rack assembly back in, close up your door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.